Lol, guys, I'm up here because of Tatsumaki ult. Oh. I'm gonna, if I want, if I want, I could go down there if I wanted to. Oh, find me. Nobody will be able to find me here. Nobody will be able to find me here. Hey, my house. If I fall, I'm basically, I can't do it anymore. I basically can't go back. They won't find me. Yup, but they're not gonna be able to find me here. Take a look. You know you know who actually knows I'm here? He's the one who knows. This is the only guy that knows where I am because he kinda saw it.
Mag-upload ka kapag kasama ka.
Sure. What the? Nobody will see me.
Quit daw sila lahat. Hindi daw sila. Yung ano daw, hide and seek daw. Tapos yung iba nag-quit. Yung iba daw nag-quit.
There's a lot that. There's a lot already quit. What the heck? The heck? Hey! My house.
Ano ba yun?
Whoa, tornado. Oh wait. No.
Gawing tornado. Lipad ka na.
No one.
Lipad ka mo ba?
No. No.
Lipad ka ba? Okay,
Yes. Nobody will see me here.
I know.
No. Hey guys, look at this. This really tells that I'm. Whoa! Oh my god, tornado. Somebody use terrible tornado. Can I use amazed walnut? Oh, walnut's over here. Where? What is that explosion? There was one meteor.
Ano pag may pumunta dyan meteor?
That's a meteor.
May pumunta daw dyan meteor. Sa'yo daw napunta. Kung may meteor dito, anong gagawin natin?
Hindi mo alam. Hulaan mo.
Magtatakbo.
Mali. Oh my god, the lag hole.
Ay mamamatay. Diga. Lahat mamamatay dito. Kahit nga bata eh.
Na Brody won't see me.
Bata kaya iligtas ang ano nga yun?
I see somebody
Yung
spawning.
takapusan ng mundo. Tapusan ng mundo.
Whoever
Isang bata
finds
kaya.
me.
Kung may US kayo, pag may tornado. Kaya ko suntukan isang tao eh. Oh! We. Yung di maingay. Yung maingay. Kaya ko suntukin. Diba? One hit ka.
Bahala ako.
One hit.
Okay, laban kayo. Pass.
Ba, hindi pwede awayan. No, sabi mo, one hit lang.
Ano? Go!
Ay mo, one hit lang no.
I'm fighting. You're just fighting. Ayun ang takbuhan. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. Okay, let's see if anybody will find me. I'm a AFK right